Hello everybody, Yoga's here. Today I want to talk about, can iPad replace laptop? So my conclusion is, if you're like a university student, you know, most of the tasks you want to do is write down, taking note, making presentation. You can replace that as well. But if you're gonna do like a coding, programming, and some other cooler stuff like using Excel, spreadsheets, you might want to use laptop. And I gotta add here, now we are my university doing online classes these days because of the coronavirus. So I feel like you might want to have some laptop instead of iPad in this situation, just because we're gonna use Zoom meetings so often, and the reason why using iPad at the university was just because it's lighter. And I can use Apple Pencil, taking note on my notebook, just not like typing down on the Google Documents or something. So that's why I need it, because I don't want to carry this heavy laptop all the time. It's really annoying, and that's why I use the iPad. But as I told you, the situation have been changed since then, so probably laptop would be better choice. So that was conclusion. Let's talk about pros and cons of having iPad instead of laptop. So pros, it's light and you can use pencil, and also could be a media consumption like watching YouTube, Netflix, some other stuff as well. And if you have an iPhone, the AirDrop function is remarkably great. Like this basic model iPad has like camera here, but it's shitty camera, you don't want to use it. So instead of using iPhone, take a presentation thingy, then AirDrop it here and make a notebook on it and write down your taking memo on it, like directly, which is really nice. Any other things? Because of the iPad OS since 2019, yeah, from last year's update, it became more like a laptop replacement. You can kind of do multitasking, but just two of them. It's not like three, like I usually do in my laptop. It's like listen to YouTube, reading articles, and then I write down about the article on Microsoft Word. So, but you can't do it so much. You might want to use your phone as a YouTube or music player, then spread iPad screen and do that. But relatively, iPad has smaller screen. This is 9.7 and my laptop has 14-inch. So if you want to sit down and focus on a task you have to do, you might want to buy a laptop. So let's talk about cons. That's one of them, I told you. And well, multitasking, no good. Any other things? I think a lot of YouTubers told it needs more time to finish the task compared to the laptop. For example, copy and paste. Yeah, if you have a keyboard, it's much easier to copy and paste. You know, just push the control. Sorry, I'm not using Mac at the moment, so control key and copy and control key and paste, right? It's much easier. But this one is help, you know, you gotta use your fingers in the gesture, new gesture stuff from last year as well. So you gotta do some pin out and pin thing, I don't know, some weird stuff like Spot does. So that's kind of annoying. But most of them you can do it. Like most of the tasks you can do on your iPad instead of laptop, which is pretty cool. Any other things? Well, not so much. If you want to play video game, you can play games as well. And reading, yeah. So this is my opinion of having iPad. Let's talk about it. If you already have a laptop and you're thinking of buying iPad, do it. If you're a creator, pro, go for it. If not, you don't need to have pro, because you're not pro, bro. Base model is crazy good for the price, like $300. You can do it like almost most of the tasks you can do on your iPad Pro. It's crazy. The difference is just the screen and the refresh rate, and you know, and the design. That's it. Base model is crazy good for the price. Yeah, Air, Mini. There's some other lineups you can try. Go for it. Pro, yeah. I mean, if you have money to burn, like Alibaba said, like, you know, do it. And or either laptop or iPad for your school. At the moment, I would say I recommend you buy a laptop. Yeah, laptop is much better for just one thing, you know. And if you already have a laptop, like all that laptop, you can't carry everywhere because it's heavy, and get an iPad. Yeah, you can use it as a notebook, like a taking note stuff. That's my opinion. So thanks for watching, everyone, and hope you guys have a great day today. Leave a comment, like, subscribe the channel. See you soon. Bye bye.